get all mean and shit. Hit him with the ooh. Hit him with the ooh.
Good morning, everybody. What a beautiful day it is. It is like 60 degrees out here in Florida. We're getting a massive cold front. So I came outside this morning. Had a little stretch. I'm a little out of breath. Had a little stretch, little morning workout stretch going. You know what I'm trying to say? Woke up a little late, so I didn't get a chance to like do this as early as I wanted to. But we're getting our day started. I'm about to do this. Make myself some food. Then probably hop on the moto. And then tonight is a car meet. So y'all gonna see Stormi tonight. I said I wasn't gonna hop out until I get wheels and a big turbo, but the boys are convincing me. So you guys see Supra tonight. So we out. So scratch that. I actually don't have time to ride the moto today. Unfortunately, you guys are actually gonna see the whole Stormi vlog today. So Katie, I'm sorry, baby girl. As much as I love you a lot right now, we gotta hop in Stormi today, baby. We hop in Stormi. Stormi's kind of dirty. She's got like a little like you feel me, like this little scuffy scuffs here and there. And I gotta take this off. This actually pissed me off. I went to a meet, a nostalgic meet. I had like a bunch of like retro cars. You know what I'm trying to say? A bunch of old JDM cars. So that was cool. Yeah, Stormi's a little dirty. So there's a meet tonight all the way up in like Delray or somewhere up north that's like bougie. So it's high class. So we gotta look good out there, you know what I'm saying? I'm actually kind of tight, because like I said, I wasn't supposed to pop out until I got wheels and a turbo. But we gotta do. Nah, this is what we call a quality first meal of the day, you know what I'm trying to say? We got the bagel, got dummy, I put hella butter on my shit, but got that plant butter, bro, plant-based butter, you gotta eat right, you know what I'm saying? Some salami with that queso, you feel me, that Gouda cheese. Can't go wrong with the water, baby. You gotta eat right at all times around here. Eat right. So one thing that really makes me sad about Stormi is that I had to turn off her cold start because, like, you know, I live in a townhouse, like, and you have neighbors and shit, so she's not as exciting to start up in the morning at that big ass loud rumble. She sounds good, but it's not the same, man. It's not the same startup. She doesn't really have to warm up anymore. It kind of pisses me off because there's no cold start. The car's kind of just like ready to go. I do let her warm up. I'm not just gonna just take off and Stormi like that. So I do let her like sit here and warm up for a second. I do let the bar go up and shit, but for the most part, it hurts my soul to not hear that and that fucking whole ass cold start, that big ass rumble. That shit hurts my soul. But it is convenient though, that Beamer, and you can just like tune that out. It is certified boost weather outside in South Florida today, boys. When I mean certified boost weather, Stormi is popping and banging and popping and banging and popping and banging for real. Like, y'all have no idea. When I say boost weather, baby, I'm talking about some boost weather. We shaking and popping, baby. It's so hard to drive manual and record for y'all. I hope y'all know that. Oh, tunnel. Would you guys believe me if I told you that Stormi is scarier than my bike? Hold on, let me talk. So this is a crazy thought too, because everyone says the opposite. If you ask me, I say that driving very fast, let's say that, I would say driving very fast is scarier in a car than it is in a rear-wheel drive car than it is on the bike. And hear me out, let me explain this. When you're in a car, you're in the car, you know what I'm trying to say? Versus like when you're on a bike, you are the bike. Like, you are on the machine, like you're holding on, so like it goes, you're going, you feel me? Like, I'm in the car, like I'm operating a machine, if that makes sense. Like, I'm literally sitting down comfy as hell, this thing goes, I'm blasting back, like, versus like on a bike, like that shit goes, like I'm going too, you feel me? So like the perception of speed, I feel, is way scarier when you take off in this car than when you do when you're going high speeds like on a bike, if you ask me. But what do I know? Just hear me out, but what do I know? Of course, like a bike is like way sketchier in general because, you know, like you're not in a cage, you're not protected. The only thing you're protecting yourself is the gear that you're wearing and God himself, like realistically. So like that makes the aspect of it like scarier. You know what I'm trying to say? Like scarier. But like in all like terms of like speed and like going fast in general, like nah, I really think like Stormi just frightens me a fraction more, if I'm being completely honest. Frightens me just a fraction more. Man's rushing, he's tweaking. Nah, we're back outside. Stormi's looking good though. She's looking good. I guess she just needs to clean more and stuff. She's not like absolutely disgusting. The rear needs to be washed. But now that I keep it in the garage, like the washes will actually be worth it. Yeah, this is probably good. I don't probably need a scrub or anything. That's good to know. I didn't bring a sponge.
You can use my shit.
No, I didn't bring a sponge. It's all good though, cause like
You can just
she doesn't.
sponge and all that.
But she doesn't really need to be scrubbed down like that. So let's. No, I'm not gonna cap with you. It's actually wild. People are out here using the forbidden brush on their whips, dog. Ain't seen nothing like it, bro. Forbidden brush is crazy. Nah, come on. The forbidden brush, bro. Toyotas are not on top today, bro. Come on. Now, Stormi will sit in the garage all day until it's time for the meet.
2 hours.
Literally. So we got 2 hours before the meet. We're just gonna be posting up and doing some stupid shit. She's looking good. Y'all haven't seen Stormi in a little bit, huh? And then we got Gabe. Y'all see Gabe every now and then. Yeah, deadass. Deadass nigga said you still have your car. Swear. Gabe's gonna show you how depressing this cold start is now. Like from another perspective. Just peep this.
Is it really that depressing?
I think it's sad. It makes me sad.
Not that bad.
But like we're in the garage, like it echoes. Like
Yeah.
alright, so we're at the meet and we leave, then you're gonna hear that. And then you're gonna hear it.
Almost knocked your bike
Almost
down.
knocked over Katie, bro.
It's going on the ground.
No, you're good. Alright, but yeah. We out to the meet.
It ain't that bad.
I think it's pretty
It's definitely tame.
tame. Yeah, it's tame.
Definitely calm down.
Exactly. But that's that. Hopefully you guys can see me, but Gabe was telling me this was supposed to be like a bougie car meet. Like I had to pay $20 to be here. You know what I'm saying? So we're about to see some cool, exotic, expensive cars. You know what I'm trying to say? I haven't been to a car meet in a while, so it's about to be kind of lit. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna pop out to like bigger car meets. I'm not trying to pop out to like smaller meets anymore, you know? So that's that. Oh, we here now, boy. We had a mob and a half, no cap. We here now. This shit's fat, boys. This shit's fat. Let's see what's up. Bro, I should have brought Katie, man. Should have brought Katie. Stretch and all. Talk to me. Oh, the CBR.
Bikes are rolling out.
Hell yeah, right? What's up, what up?
Everything good?
Yeah, man. How y'all doing? Y'all chilling? Y'all chilling?
He's moving?
He just wants to move right there. Yeah. Sheesh. Man, we got everything out here, boy. No, this is tough, man. This is tough. Shit's off the ground, you understand me? This shit's off the ground, you understand me? You got the trucks inside? What's up with this, man? How do they even get this in here for real? Damn, this is kind of a cool meet. I was not expecting all this. Oh, they got a sim? Damn, what's going on? I'm over here. What's going on? They got a sim over here. Yeah, kids racing and stuff. So nuts. Damn. Down to the gas cap. Uh-oh, we chasing this S1K and Stormi, baby. We chasing him. This guy's moving. Talk to me, dog. Talk to me. A cool little mob, but it was moving. Yes, sir. I don't know. I was on the highway here and I saw an S1K. That's why I'm on the way.
Nice.
I'm with Frushi. Gotta get some graduation pictures. I just graduated from FIU, so gotta get some pictures. And yeah, part of the motion today. Bro, Frushi has wheels before I do. Downpipe tuned wheels, and I don't even have wheels.
You got those color changing wheels with those brake dust.
Unbelievable. Color changing wheels. That's actually funny as hell. I need wheels, bro. I'm actually tight about that. You guys tell me, wheels or big turbo first? Wheels or big turbo? Tell me.
Wheels.
You say wheels? I don't think you guys get it. Like, we big graduate out here, boy. I gotta wait for my diploma in the mail. We don't got time for that. We gotta... Because I didn't want to go to the ceremony, honestly. I really didn't want to go to the ceremony. I kind of just wanted to just get it going. Because I didn't spend much time on campus. I literally just, I did it all online. So there was no point in me going to campus for a ceremony for a campus I'd even, like, be on. I went to my undergrad, graduation, but not this one. I didn't see it as, like, being worth my time, honestly. Man, we celebrating all 2025. Ain't that right, Frushi?
Yes, sir.
2025. 2025 is a year of celebrations and accomplishments and nothing but successes for everyone. Frushi's up this year. Ain't that right, Frushi?
Yes, sir. We're locking in. Locking in. I have to get shit done.
No, straight up, bro. I'd love to hear that. That's what we have to do this year. I hope every single one of you has something to accomplish this year, at least. Just one thing. Whether it's grow an inch. Up a shoe size. Who knows?
Height surgery.
Yeah, height surgery. Yeah, get some knee implants.
Don't actually do it, bro.
Whatever it may be. Shit, get a new hairline. Who knows? Whatever it may be, bro. Get that shit accomplished this year, please. For me. For yourself. Panther, the Panther. That FIU Panther. Come on, man. Straight up rawr. That's how I'm feeling. At USF, I was the Bulls, so we were go Bulls. But here it's like rawr.
Rar.
I don't know what it is, actually. If you guys see this in the other vlog, I'm continuing my day from earlier. Frushi, the goat himself, the photographer goat, was getting some rollers of me. Oh my god. Follow me on IG. You guys are not ready to see these rollers. These are going on my main and my car page, and my bike and car page. But this is crazy. I'm actually so excited. And we got Gabe. But yeah, I think we're also gonna have a little photo shoot with another biker. And yeah, I think he got a S1K, and I think it might be a Yamaha or another Ninja. I'm not sure. Yeah, a little mobski. All right, we outside, boys. About to go meet up with 2 other bikers, get a little photo shooting, because Frushi's the GOAT. And he's actually been taking photos of me all day, man. He's actually the fucking GOAT. Got some graduation pictures in this morning. Yeah, and I'm about to get these biker pictures, man. He took some rollers of me, which I'm actually so blessed for. Frushi's literally the GOAT, man. He's hooked me up. Because this was actually unintentional. We were all just chilling. The graduation was obviously intended, but everything else was, we were just posted up at my crib, and then needed to go run an errand. And on the way there, I was like, yo, you got your camera? He's like, hell yeah. I was like, let me ride the bike. So, man's go for that. Let's get a little ribbon, baby. Oh, first he's gonna whip out the camera again. Oh, he's gonna get some. Oh, hold up. There we go. There we go. Get low for him, baby. Get low for him. Look all mean and shit. Look all mean and shit. Yeah, yeah. Get all mean and shit. Hit him with the ooh. Hit him with the ooh. Now we just post up. There you go. Thank you, Frushi. Thank you, Frushi. With the sunset in the background, it's crazy work. Sheesh. Come on, look, this is so clean. The mismatched headlights. Come on, these old gens are so tough, man. So tough. All the carbon. Shit's beautiful. One day I'll be up on this one day, man. Give me a couple more weeks. No, I'm just joking. But this is like too fresh.
Go throttle control. That's what we're focused on right now. Good. And then wait for it. Wait for it. Good. My God. That was good. That was good.
So I forgot to close out the last vlog, but thank you guys for watching. You guys like, comment, subscribe. Next video was Wheelie Wednesday. I'm actually so excited for that. Just like, comment, subscribe. That's up next. We out. Peace.